Hi, I'm iKAN Guy, and I'm here to explain how iKAN Cloud AP works. Before you begin using the system, you'll need to provide data from your AP software. The information will allow the system to validate the vendor, business unit and purchase order information captured from the invoices. Now everything is ready, you can begin to get your invoices into the system. iKAN Cloud AP supports capture through multiple channels including scanner, fax, mobile device, email, hot folder import, multifunction device and FTP upload. Once the invoices are captured and in the system, the real magic happens inside. Let's take a look. Firstly, there are two paths an invoice can take depending on the type of solution you've selected. Basic invoices take one path, advanced invoices take another. The first process is classification. Every document has a visual style or a fingerprint. Classification reads the document fingerprints and groups them into similar styles. This allows the system to apply rules that are geared towards specific styles of invoice. This process is fully automated and requires no initial configuration or maintenance. The next process is data capture. This is where the system dynamically locates each piece of required data. The data is read using industry-leading OCR technology. Data capture includes the invoice number, the invoice date, the total, and if it's an advanced system, the line items and the purchase order number. Now we use the vendor, business unit and purchase order information you uploaded. That data is used to ensure that everything captured is accurate, valid and matches the information stored in your AP software. Many invoices go straight through without assistance, but some data automatically captured may need to be verified by you. These invoices need a little help. The system groups all captured characters into two sections. Characters it's not confident have been captured correctly, and characters it is confident about. The system only needs your assistance with the low confidence characters, and everything else can be ignored. This means we take the load, making your job much easier. Although it's very accurate, sometimes the system will find the wrong information. One of the most impressive features is that during verification, the system can learn from its mistakes. Every time you correct the system, that change is remembered. Those changes are compiled, and then applied to the logic used to locate and capture the data. Over time, as the number of stored corrections grows, the system accuracy improves, which means less work for you. Now your invoice data is ready for delivery back to you for import into your AP software. With minimal fuss and effort, your AP invoices have gone from paper to paid in no time at all, allowing you to focus on other tasks, get early payment discounts, and see all the other benefits a streamlined AP solution offers. Want to see for yourself? Contact us today for a free consultation or demonstration. It couldn't be easier. Simple, secure document solutions from iKAN Software.